California, chummies and sisters. We'll see you again. This is Arman Arbis, your chummy. I am also here in Northern California. It's called Los Banos. We hope to show the rest of the filming and still photos to you either directly or perhaps through the internet. See you next scene. Bye. Alright, chummies and sisters, it's Arman again. It's Saturday morning right now, actually 12:45 p.m. and just arriving at the beautiful house of Ver and Marcy Virata. Kinukunan ko lang ng konti, pero I'll be there in a few seconds right in front. And may mga kotse na, mukhang nandyan na mga bisita, Danny and so forth. Here we go. I'm taking the picture. Yan ang bahay nila, right there. Okay. Alright. Next scene. Okay. I just got down from my car and we are now right in front. You're looking at the house itself. The Ver and Marcy Virata. Bakit lumalapit? Hindi ko naman kino-close up. Makita natin yung yung perspective. Why? Yun. Yan. Sorry. Ayan na. Okay, yan. Yan ang paligid ng napakagandang tirahan nila. Ver and Marcy. Teka, ito naman ang aking kotse. Ayan, kararating lang, ha? Okay. Si Arman ito. I'm going in. Bye.